fourth problem, write given objective function, minimize objective function z equals to 3x plus 2y, okay, subject to constants x plus 3y greater or equals to 3 and x plus y greater or equals to 2, and one is non-negative, x comma y both are greater or equals to 0. Constant number 1, number 2, number 3. Constant number 3 is non-negative constants. Now listen how to solve this unbounded. Otherwise, sir please explain sir, no sir, explain huh? Like that. There go. This also wrong. 3x plus 5 by. I think I need specs now. First line we can write constant 3 implies that feasible region in first quadrant. Okay. Constant 3 implies that feasible region in first quadrant. Okay. Now remaining two constant we have to plot, but to plot two constant first draw two lines. Okay. Next draw line. X plus 3y equals to 3. Okay. X y. If x0 y1 y0 x3, so from here 2 points, okay, point A 0 1 and B point 3 0, okay. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, okay. 0 comma 1, x value 0 comma 1, this is 0 comma 1 point, okay. This is point number A. 3 comma 0, x value 3, y value 0, 1 2 3, this is point B. Join A and B. Okay. So now if you put origin 0 comma 0, it will be false. It means away from origin, feasible region away from origin. Okay. Put 0 0 in 1. In 1 then it is 0 plus 0. Okay, it is false. False. So feasible region is away from origin. Okay. It means feasible region this side. Okay, this side, and definitely we know in the first quadrant. So feasible region this side. Now draw another one. X plus y equals to 2. Next draw line x plus y equals to 2. So from here x y, what will be the points? x0 y2 y0 x2. So 0 2 and 2 0. From here points 0 2 and 2 0. Points let's call C point 0 comma 2, B point 2 comma 0. Okay, 0 comma 2, this is C point, this is C point, and this is D point. Join C and D. Okay, now give names of the line. Okay, this line is x plus y equals to 2. Okay, and this line is x plus 3y equals to 3. Okay, when you put origin in second, again it will be false. Correct. Put 0 0. 0 plus 0 greater or equals to 2. It is again false. So feasible region away from origin and this line. Okay. Okay. It means this side, this side, this side. So what is feasible region? This time feasible region is unbounded. Correct? Follow all the arrows finally. When you follow all the arrows, what will be feasible region? Feasible region will be this your feasible region. Okay, this. Okay, it will be unbounded this time. This. Okay, above this line, above this line, above this line. So this time feasible region is unbounded. Okay, feasible region is unbounded. How many corner points? 1, 2, and 3. We will consider 3 corner points. One is this, and one is this, and one is this. What this point? This point is intersection of x plus y and x plus 3y. This line. Okay. Can we get this point first? First solve quickly. One is x plus y equals to 2, and one is x plus 3y equals to 3. Solve quickly. Minus, cancel. Y minus 3y minus 2y, and here minus 1. So what is y? 1 by 2. Then what is x? Put in this x plus y equals to 2. Then what is x? 3 by 2. 3 by 2, correct? So one point is 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. From here what is point? 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now make a table. Table. Okay, how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, corner points. Corner points here. Z value. Z value. What is Z value? X plus 3x plus 5y. Okay. One corner point is C point. C point is 0 comma 2, correct? 0 comma 2. Okay. And one is this point 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. One is 3 comma 0. One is extra. Okay. Calculate here Z value. Here 0 comma 2. What is Z value? 3 into 0. 0. 5 into 2. 10. 10 coming. Here 3 by 2. 3 into 3. 9 by 2. And here 5 by 2. So 11 by 2 coming. Correct? 3 comma 0. 9. 3 comma 0 is 9. Let me check again. 3 into 3. 9 by 2. 5 into 1. 5 by 2. 9, 5. 14 by 2. 7 will come. This is 14 by 2. 9, 5, 14. No? 7. 7. So what is minimum here? 7 is minimum, na? But because region is unbounded, if region was bounded, 7 is correct answer. Finish here only. But this region is unbounded, so 7 may or may not be minimum. We have to again go further one step. So right, since feasible region is unbounded, okay, feasible region is unbounded, so z equals to 7 may or may not be minimum. Okay, to check this, we should, okay, draw inequality. Okay, we should draw graph of inequality. Graph of inequality. Which inequality? Z. If it is minimum, then Z less than. If it is if problem of maximum, then Z greater than. So because our problem is to minimize, then we should check the inequality Z less than, and minimum value is 7. That is, Z value is 3x plus 5 by 3x plus 5 by less than 7. We should draw the graph of the inequality and check whether is there any common point with feasible reason or not. If I draw this line, suppose if I take x value 0, then what is y value? 7 by 5. Okay. If y value 0, then x value 7 by 3. Okay. 7 by 3. And 7 by 5, how much? 7 by 5? 1.5 into 5, 1.4. And 7 by 3, 2.33. Okay, then where is 2.33? 2.33 will be here, this point. This will be 2.33, correct? Approximately. And where is 1.4? This is 1, so 1.4 somewhat here. Okay, then join the green dots. Join green dots by dotted line, because we are drawing a strict inequality, less than 7. It is not less or equals to 7. So we have to join by dotted line. Okay, dotted line. Yeah. This dotted line divided the plane in two disjoint half planes. Now this is one, this upper half plane, one is down half plane. So where it will go? Because it is less than 7. So when we put origin 0 comma 0, so it will be true. It means it means it means graph of this inequality will be this, like this side, correct now? This side. Now we can see that with this inequality, graph of this inequality and our feasible reason, there is no common point. If there is no common point, then we can say that whatever the minimum we got, that only the minimum. Okay, next line. Since there is no common point, okay, of inequality, no common point, with feasible reason, so z equals to 7 is minimum. At which point? At 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. At this point we are getting now. So at 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now problem number 5. Maximize z equals to 3x plus 2y. See here, less than and less than and non-negative. So when you draw this, you will get bounded region. So I will skip this. You have to do. In this, feasible region will be bounded. Then there is no extra word. Okay. This is do yourself. here greater or equals to 3, greater or equals to 6, and xy we will get here unbounded region. Okay, unbounded. So for unbounded, one more, then finish. Okay, start the solution. Z equals to x plus 2y. Okay, as usual, how to write answer? First given, minimize z equals to x plus 2y, subject to this is constant number 1, this is constant number 2, and this is constant number 3. Okay, as usual. After that, we can see constant number 3 is non-negative constant. So constant number 3 implies that feasible region in the first quadrant. Okay, so first line, constant constant 3 implies that feasible region is in first quadrant. Okay, feasible region is in first quadrant. After that, we have to draw constant number 1. For that, we will draw line first. Okay, next draw line. Which line? 2x plus y equals to 3. Okay, 2x plus y equals to 3. X and y. X value 0, then y value 3. Okay. Okay, and y value 0, then x value 3 by 2. But if I take y value 1, if I take y value 1, then what is x value? 1. So this is also no problem. No? Not always x0, y0. Any point you can take. Because when you join the line, there are infinite points on the line. Okay, so this is, we need only 2 points to draw the line. I have taken y1, x1 because I am getting very nice number 1 1. Otherwise 1 by 2 half. That also no problem. Then from here, one point is 0 comma 3 and one point is 1 comma 1. B point is 1 comma 1. Okay, graph. Graph 0 comma 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y axis, it is x axis. X value 0, y value 3. So 0 comma 3 is this. This is your point number A. 1 comma 1. X value 1, y value also 1. So 1, this is 1 and this is 1. So this is your, this, correct now? This is what? This point is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 because x1 and y1 join. 2x plus y equals to 3. Okay. Now put 0 0 in 2x plus y greater or equals to 3. Then 0 plus 0 greater or equals to 3 false. So feasible region away from the origin. Away from origin. Okay. Feasible region away from origin. That means feasible region towards this. Feasible region this side. This side. Okay. This side. Correct. Now draw the another inequality. For that we will draw first line. Draw line x plus 2y equals to 6. X and y. If x value 0, y value 3, y value 0, x value 6. Okay, so from here points, let's say C point is 0 comma 3, D point 6 comma 0. Okay, again join these 2 points. This is 6 comma 0. Okay, so this is your D point. Join C and D. Yeah. Okay, now if you put origin, then visual region away from visual region of this line away from origin, so it will come this side, and this is saying this side. So when you follow all the diagram, it will come this, and this will be unbounded visual region. Okay, now put 0 0 in x plus 2y greater or equal to 0. So 0 greater or equal to 6 is false. Visual region away from origin. So visual region is away from origin. Okay, from line equals to 6. It means visible region this side, this side, this side, this side. Okay, obviously this is unbounded because it is going upside. Unbounded, bounded below, unbounded above. This is what visible region is. Unbounded. Okay, unbounded. Visible region is unbounded. Huh? 0311 correct. Now 03, first 03, after that 1 second, x value 0, y value 3, and here x value 0. हाँ? कहाँ पर? ओ समझ में आया कैसे करें? Then I will change.
So B point 1 count is in this 1 count. This is B.
Now correct. Immediately you should tell something wrong. After complete solution you tell you, sir. Yeah. So, and that too calling personally. Immediately interrupt me. Okay, that graph you complete later on. I don't want waste my time. Now I will draw the corner point. Now you understand so many problems I did. Last year only 3-4 problems. Because last batch were very intelligent batch. How many corner points? Actually 2 corner points coming. Okay. And here z equals to x plus 2y. Okay. First corner point is 6 comma 0 and one is 0 comma 3. 6 comma 0, what is the objective function value? 6 comma 0, it will be x value 6, 6 plus 0, it means 6 only. And here 0 comma 3, 0 plus 6, 6 coming, both 6 coming. Okay, and we want to minimize only one, so if only one value coming, so that only minimum, correct? So this is minimum, even this is also minimum. Okay, but if you observe this line, which I am shading once again, this line, this, on this line you take any point, suppose if I take here some comma 2 point, on this line so many infinite points are there, no? If I take 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, now check the function's value, it will be 2 plus 2 into 2, again 6 coming. Okay, let's take any other points on this line, any other points, suppose on this line, suppose x value, I take x value 3, then what is y value? What is y value? Y value will be 6 minus 3, 3 by 2. Now if you put x value, y value in this objective function, again 6 coming, it means on every point on this line, on every point of this line there is a minimum. It means in this situation there are infinite points at which your function is minimum. So infinite solution in this case, how many? Infinite, not even, not one, not even two, infinite solutions. Minimum is at more than 2 points. If we take point 2 comma 2 on line in fact take any point on the line z will be 6, which is minimum, which is minimum. Hence there are infinite solutions. Okay, hence there are infinite solutions. Infinite ones, that's why I did this. Okay, because in this you are getting infinite solutions. This function 5x plus 10 by, subject to these constants. First constant, it is number 2, it is number 3, and it is number 4. Okay, you can write like this: first given, minimize and maximize this function, then constant number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how to start? Constant number 4 implies that physical region in the first quadrant, correct? First line. Okay, that. Constant 4 implies physical region where? In first quadrant. Okay, that over. After that, you have to draw these constants: x plus 2y, x plus y, and x minus 2y. So I will make graph, language you write. Okay, language you write. Firstly, you have to draw x plus 2y equals to 120. 120. So we will do this: x here, y here. Okay, if x is 0, then y is 60, correct? If y is 0, then x is 120. So here we are getting very large numbers. So then we can give scale. On the x-axis, you can say scale. Okay, x-axis scale is 1 centimeter equals to 10 unit. Okay, y-axis scale 1 centimeter equals to 10 unit. Okay, scaling is done. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so 0, 60 and 120 0. 0, 60 is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 0, comma 60. 120, comma 0. This is 120, comma 0. Join these. Adjust. This is 0, 60 and 120. Then this side or that side. Then you put origin. If you put origin, you will get 0 less than 120. It will be true. So feasible origin towards origin, correct? Then feasible origin will be this side. Okay, just make graph only. Language you write yourself. Graph you make graph with me. Then you will draw this line. X plus y equals to 60. Okay, x plus y equals to 60. After that. So for this, xy, x0, y60, y0, x60. So 0, 60 and 60, 0. 0, 60, again this and 60, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This. Then this. Correct? This line. Now how to decide away from origin to this line or towards this origin from this line? Then again you will put origin. But when you put origin here, when you put origin x plus y, then 0 greater or equal to 60, it will be false. False means feasible origin from this line and away from the origin. Okay, away from the origin. Then feasible origin this side. This side. Correct? Next you will draw x minus 2y equals to 0 line corresponding to constant number 3. Okay, suppose x is 1, if x is 0, y is 0, correct? X0, y0. If x is 1, then or x is suppose 10, then what is y? Y will be 5, correct? X value 0, then y value 0, but x value 10, then y value 5. So where is 0, comma 0? This is 0, comma 0, and where is 10, comma 5? X value 10 and y value 5. So this is 10, this point. Okay, this point. Then you will draw this line. This is your x minus 2y equals to 0. Now here this will be this side, I mean feasible origin this side or that side. How to decide? How to decide? For that you can take any point. You can fit this point. This point value is what? This point is 0, comma 10. Then put 0, comma 10 in this inequality. X minus 2y greater or equals to 0. Put 0, comma 10. So x value 0 minus 2 into 10 greater or equals to 0. Minus is there? Yes. So minus 20 greater or equals to 0. Is it true statement? Negative number greater than 0 or it false na? It came false. It means feasible origin will not contain this point. It means feasible origin this side of the line, this side. So when you follow all the regions, then what will be your bounded region? Bounded. And bounded region will be this. Okay, this. This is a bounded region. Then how many corner points? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then table and minimum maximum we will get answer. Okay, note. I mean make the graph, language write yourself.